Welcome! This tutorial will guide you through setting up your Devialet Phantom Ultimate. Step 1. Unboxing. Carefully remove your Devialet Phantom Ultimate from its packaging. Hold it securely by the front and back, never by the sides. Step 2. Power on. Connect the supplied power cable to your Devialet Phantom Ultimate and plug it into a power outlet. The LED indicator on top will pulse white while your Devialet Phantom Ultimate powers up. Once it turns solid green and you hear a sound, your product is ready for setup. Step 3. Launch the Devialet app. Ensure your smartphone is connected to Wi-Fi, then download the Devialet app. This step is required before using your Devialet Phantom Ultimate. Launch the app. Sign in or create a Devialet account. From the homepage, tap Set up a product or the plus icon. Follow the on-screen prompts to connect your Devialet Phantom Ultimate to Wi-Fi and unlock full access to features. Step 4. Optional. Create a stereo pair. To create a stereo pair, power on both speakers and complete the setup for each. Once the second Devialet Phantom Ultimate is ready, the app will automatically prompt you to pair them in stereo. You can unpair them anytime via the app settings. You're all set. Stream your favorite audio via AirPlay, Google Cast, Bluetooth, UPnP, or services like Spotify Connect. You can also connect via the optical input. For more guidance, check out our dedicated tutorial. Changing network or location? To reconnect, reset your Devialet Phantom Ultimate by holding the power button on the back for 7 seconds. Then simply follow the steps in this tutorial.